4 ways estate planning attorneys have failed you. Estate planning attorneys have traditionally done a great job at protecting your assets from probate and taxes, but what about everything else? Your legacy, your family's well-being, and the emotional impact of losing a loved one have often taken a backseat to legal jargon and paperwork. At Gaughan Connealy, we like to do things differently. But before we tell you how, let's take a hard look at the 4 biggest ways traditional estate planning has let you down. 1. They've been obsessed with dollars and cents, and forgotten about legacy. Most estate planning attorneys will go to war over a tax deduction, but when it comes to ensuring your family understands your wishes, values, and the sentimental items that matter most? Crickets. Yes, protecting your financial wealth is critical, but what about the stories behind grandma's wedding ring or dad's old guitar? The true legacy of an estate isn't just the money. It's the memories, values, and guidance you leave behind. A solid estate plan should include both. 2. They focused on documents, not on an action plan. Having a thick stack of legal documents does not mean your estate plan is actually functional. Too often, people sign their wills and trusts, put them in a drawer, and assume they're covered. But when an emergency hits, confusion ensues, and families scramble to figure out what to do next. A true estate plan doesn't just sit in a file cabinet, it's a living, breathing strategy. It should include clear instructions for your loved ones, so they aren't left wondering, what now? 3. They've retired before you even needed them. Many estate planning attorneys are closer to needing an estate plan themselves than to ensuring yours is in order. The result? By the time your children need to navigate your plan, the attorney who drafted it is off sipping margaritas on a beach somewhere. Our firm is structured to ensure that when you or your loved ones need us, whether it's tomorrow or 20 years from now, we'll be here to help. 4. They've nickeled and dimed clients with hourly fees. Many law firms operate like a taxi meter. You get billed for every email, phone call, or moment you need assistance. That's a surefire way to make clients hesitate before asking important questions. We do things differently. At Gaughan Connealy, we use flat fees, meaning you know exactly what your estate plan will cost up front. And if you need to call or email us, go ahead, we won't charge you for it. Because peace of mind should come standard. Estate planning should be more than just a transaction, it should be a lasting relationship built on trust, clarity, and real peace of mind. If you're tired of the traditional approach, let's talk. We'll make sure your legacy is about more than just dollars and legal documents, it'll be about the people and memories that truly matter.